Hi, my name is Nadia. I'm stitching instructor. I'm making videos for the beginners and for those who wants to learn. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you how to sew a very trendy circle tear maxi for 4 months old girl. For circle tear maxi, cutting is different and you only need the waist measurement and the total length of all tears. First measure the waist of the person you will be sewing for. Then take out the radius of waist circumference. There will be math involved in order to sew it. Total length of circle tear maxi is 10 and it has 3 circle tears. As I told you before, this is the 4 months old girl maxi, so I used a formula and take out the waist radius, and that is 2. For waist radius, I already made a video. In that video, I explain about the formula, how to take out the waist circumference radius. You can watch this video, link is mentioned in the description. I am going to add waist radius in total tear lengths, then 10 become 12, 8 become 10, 6 become 8. These are the sample of my main fabric. This is the lining fabric. This is the net fabric, and this is the tissue fabric. You can call it organza fabric as well. And in the last, I am using the can. These are all fabrics. I'm going to cut the first circle tear. So first fold it in a half and then fold it half again in order to make a square. First measure the waist radius, that is 2. Hold the measuring tape properly at the starting point of the folded fabric corner. Then measure down the number of inches. Rotate your measuring tape down the same distance and mark with chalk. Then make a guideline on it. Now measure the first circle tear length, that is 10. Now I am adding 2 in total length, and then length become 12. Continue doing this until you have created an arc across the top corner of the folded fabric. Now cut it out from the fabric. Now check the total length again. Now it is 10 inches. Now repeat the same process. You can tag the pin in measuring tape and tag in started at the folded corner and then take the measurement. A circle tear maxi or skirt, as the name implies, simply a circle with a hole in the center for the waist. After measurement, cut it out from the fabric and then repeat the process and cut the net fabric and then tissue fabric. One thing keep in mind, all circle tear waist radius would remain same. Now cut the can as well. Its waist radius will remain same, but its length is 2 or 3 inches less than the main circle tear's length. As you know, can is a hard net. So I am using one more fabric layer under this can in order to prevent for skin irritation and chafing. Now put the can on the fabric and then cut it out. It is the easiest way to cut it. Now put all circle tears in sequence. First lining of can, then then tissue fabric, then net fabric, and then main lining, and at the end put the main fabric. I am pinning it in order to sew all layers of first circle tears among each other. First circle tear is ready. Now measure the second circle tear. Repeat all process and then cut out all layers of second circle tears. After cutting, Put all layers in a sequence as same as we did with this first circle tear. Third circle tears I already measured and then cut all layers. Now keep them in a sequence in order to pinning them with each other. It's time to sew all circle tears one by one. One thing keep in mind which is very important, all circles tear base radius will remain same, and that is 2. Take out the waist radius is very easy. You just measure the waist circumference and then apply a formula and then take out the your required waist radius. I sewed all circle tears one by one. Now it's time to keep them onto each other in a sequence in order to sew among them. I am keeping it in a lengthwise, like first circle tear length is 10, second circle tear length is 8, and third circle tear length is 6. Sew very carefully. I sewed these. This is bodice which I already prepared. Now it's time to sew with the circle tear maxi. Now flip over to the wrong side like that and sew with needle. After hand stitching, I will sew with machine. I sewed it. It is prepared now and ready to wear. It looks very elegant and adorable. Circle tear maxi may seems like complex sewing project, but it is super simple and easy. Hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and share this video with your friends and family. You can visit my Facebook page also. Link is mentioned in description. Take care. Bye bye.